Hi guys, so today
we're soon ready.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing an install on a gas can on the back of my van, and my uncle Charles is here to help show you guys how to do this, as he has very much been wanting me to do this and has been very concerned about it ever since I got my van 2.5 years ago. So I'm finally getting it installed.
All right, so today we're installing the RotoPax 3-gallon gas can to the back of the ladder here. So the way we kind of figured this out is the RotoPax comes with this round bracket here and the attachment bracket here as well. So we came up with a creative way to install it to the ladder rung here, so Beth still has room once it's installed to use the bottom step and a second step and still climb up the ladder, and it's not in her way. You don't have to take it off. So what you're gonna need to do is get yourself some U-bolts that fits your rung. This rung is 1.5 inches wide by 1 inch thick, so you kind of want to be more worried about the thickness of the U-bolt, so you kind of want it tight on bottom and top. So I found these ones at Home Depot, and they got like 1 3/4 inch bolts that ran through too, kind of like belt and suspenders. It's tight enough with the U-bolts, but we added these just to make it more secure. Once you put the U-bolts on, they're going to stick out. You're going to install the bracket without this on there because there's 2 bolts back here. So you're going to have just this round flat bracket. So we cut off the bolts with the Sawzall. Then I came back in with the grinder right here and just smoothed them off with the grinder so they're nice and smooth. That way when the gas cat's up against it, nothing's rubbing against it. I used a drill to drill these holes. The holes that came with it were a little bit smaller. I want a little bit larger bolt, so we drilled 2 new holes here through the ladder rung to run these through, and now you can see you can't move it. Okay, so as you can see from the back side, the locking part that attaches here, it has 2 bolts in the back. So you're going to install this round part first. I use Loctite to put on all of the nuts to secure them, and then once this round bracket's installed here, you go ahead and put the 2 bolts in to attach this piece. Again, using Loctite to secure that in there from the back side. And then once that's on, we can go ahead and line this straight up. We can take our RotoPax, slide it on here like this, like that. You can see it's nice and straight and secure on there. And then what you'll do is you end up tightening this like this, and this makes it more of a fine adjustment like this. And then we will put the key in. Go ahead and lock it, and you can see there it's locked. This is on there, it's not going anywhere. Beth still has her 2 steps here, so you can still access, step over this and get up on her ladder. Okay, so the tools you're going to be needed to do this project are a drill, Sawzall to cut the bolts off, and a grinder to smooth off the bolts once you cut them off. You can also use a ratchet to tighten all of the nuts down. Also make sure you get some Loctite thread locker to put on all the threads, just to secure that. And other than that, that's all you should need to do this project. Also, it's always a good idea to put stable in your gas can, because you're not going to know how long you're going to go between using it. So this keeps your gas from going bad.
Okay, so how long should this keep my gas good?
Well, it says on the bottle up to 24 months. So I've used it, had gas last longer than that, but it's good to, you're going to use the gas within 24 months, but
okay,
it's good to have it in there.
And the best part about this mod is now he'll get off my back about the freaking gas can.